So I've hammered the plugs in. So, and it turns out the trick is you got to screw this in first. So get that first one in. That's the trickiest. So you'll be here all day. And then we have to try and get it onto the wall, which is a bit of a challenge. And then we'll put up the other one. If I could just find it. Here it is. There we go. Oh. Where's my... There we go. You need a bit more dexterity than that. There we go. Just looking for the damn screw, couldn't find one. Okay, found one. We'll get that into the slot. So long as that's in, actually got it. If I could just go in, and then we'll slot this in to its proper place. Then we're all happy as Larry. If it was flushed in, I think I might have a bit of a problem with that. Hopefully that won't. Doing the bottom, doing the top, need more screws. Where are they? Oh, there we go, got it. And we have it. Some screws missing. Oh, here they are. Well, that's it.